Hi, my name is Antonia Silva Alvardo, and I am the director of the short film The Sound of the Jaguar, which is now selected at the official competition in the graduation films category. The Sound of the Jaguar portrays the story of an indigenous woman who migrates to the city, and how, through her native language, Chinantec, she recalls memories of her home in the countryside. This short film is inspired by Lidia Rivera Gonzalez, an indigenous woman from La Chinantla, the third largest jungle in Mexico, who found herself needing to migrate to the city. This is our thesis project for the National School of Cinematographic Arts. Therefore, the process was long and involved a great deal of learning. Likewise, achieving this required a talented and committed team, from script writing, set and costume construction, to animation, musical composition, voice recording, and post-production. This story is very important to the people who have worked and believe in it from the beginning. Because of that, we are so excited to finally be able to share it with you. And what better than in this beautiful and amazing festival. I hope you like it as much as we like it, and see you at the cinema.